So once students have mastered letter-sound correspondence, word blending is the next logical step. So here are a sample of some words that could be used. You really could use anything. But ultimately what you need to remember in this one is that I'm not going to, as the teacher, be doing much of the talking. Actually, I'm not going to do any of the talking. It's going to be the student who's going to be, you'll hear the student's voice. I'm just simply pointing. So it'll be a series of pointing to each letter, and the student saying the sound for the next one, and the student saying the sound, and then a swipe under the word is where the student says the word. So I would point, the student would say, it, mit. Again, the voice that I used was just a demonstration of what the student would be saying. The teacher is simply pointing. We would continue on. In this case would be, the student would say k, at, cat. Let's say that there's a mistake that's made on this next one. Just remember the standard error correction procedure. So I'm not sure what a student might say. I would go through the standard error correction procedure of actually demonstrating it. So now I would say this is tam. I have the student do tam. I would say yes, tam, go back to, and redo. So again, if the child can come back to this and there's mastery demonstrated, we've increased the chance of shifting this learning from short-term to long-term memory. So there you have the simple intervention of word blending.